How would you like to make $100 a day while still being in the comfort of your own home? Well, this is completely possible, and I'm gonna give you 7 ways to do so. And for beginners. So let's just jump right into it. The first way is faceless YouTube channels. If you're running a faceless YouTube channel and you're posting at least 60 videos, and on average, if each of those videos is making only $1.66 a day, you'll be making $100 a day. For example, I know somebody that does this personally, and it's my brother, and he runs 12 faceless YouTube channels and makes over $1,000 each day just from ad revenue. Now, in order for each video to be making $1 to $2 per day, you would need to be getting at least around 100 views to 200 views on each video. So if each of these videos is making $10 cost per mile, this means you will make $10 per 1,000 views from ad revenue. And this is just more than possible, let me tell you. And my brother is very open about his revenue, and he shares all of these tips and secrets on his channel called Make Money Matt. And let me just say that certain niches do get higher costs per mile. And having a higher cost per mile basically means that you're just making more money per 1,000 views. Some niches that are doing really well right now would include finance, making money online, travel, health, investing, legal, insurance, makeup, marketing, real estate, cars, and movies. And those are just a few examples of niches that are doing well and would be good niches to choose from. Also, check out this video that my brother made that goes over the best niches on YouTube without having to show your face. And I'll talk about faceless YouTube channels just a little bit right here. And how a faceless YouTube channel works is you are going to find an idea or a niche to form your channel around. You will generate and film and make these videos and upload, optimize, and monetize. It's kind of like a little rhyme there. It's kind of fun. There's a completely free training course that is going to be linked in this video if that is something that you're interested in. And this is the first way that my brother had made big money online through faceless YouTube channels. And he even got to the point where he was making more money than our parents was while still being in school, which I find absolutely insane. The second way to be making over $100 per day online is through online courses. It is more than possible to be making $100 a day through online courses. Now, if you plan on making online courses, I would suggest that you price these courses at least $500. Then if you get just one sale a day, you'll be making well over $100. And all you'll have to do is get 6 sales a month on a $500 course, and you will be making around $100 daily. A good reason to choose courses is if you have something that you're passionate about that you want to put out there and help other people learn as well. This is a good route to go. And you can do this by making just Google slideshows. And then with these Google slideshows, you can screen record and talk about these Google slides with a software called OBS Studio. And you can go through this course on your Google Slides as just a step-by-step tutorial. For example, my brother teaches a course called Tube Mastery. And what he does in this course is he teaches how to make and grow a successful faceless YouTube channel. And then here's a little tip. Within these courses, you can make a private group. And what this private group does is it gives you the ability to communicate and answer questions that people may have from you. Teaching an online course can also give you the satisfaction of expanding other people's knowledge while also giving you the satisfaction of teaching this knowledge to others. And you can also promote these channels through YouTube to gain more viewers and more traction. And then this brings us into our third way, which is high payout partner products. Now, if you were just thinking, well, teaching an online course wouldn't be for me because I don't really have anything that I would be passionate enough to teach about, or there's just not really anything I would want to teach. Did you know that you could partner with somebody who is already making a course of their own and split the money with them? For example, my brother's course is available on the Digistore 24 affiliate marketplace. And here, people can sign up to be an affiliate. And with being an affiliate, you will get a 50% commission for each sale that you refer. Tube Mastery and Monetization have paid over $600,000 to affiliate to this date. And there are multiple affiliates here that are earning full-time incomes. Now, obviously not everybody here is going to be earning a full-time income from this, and some people don't get any sales at all. But if you can drive traffic to your affiliation, then the sales can add up. For example, if you're promoting a course that costs $1,000 and you have a 50% commission, then you'll only need 6 sales per month to be making $100 a day. And in order to get traffic, here's a few examples on how you can do this. You can run YouTube channels, you can run Instagram pages, you can buy ads, you can run a blog, you can write articles, and you can engage in online communities. And those are just a few ways that I would like to throw out there for you guys if you're interested in doing this. All right, and now we're on our fourth way to make $100 a day, which is through digital products. Digital products includes things like ebooks, guides, and etc. On a website called Gumroad, you can find some of these things for sale. So for example, if we go on Gumroad and we click discover, you can see what different categories there are. So in order to make $100 a day here, if you have a $10 product, you will need to be getting 10 sales a day. If you have a $33 product, this would be about 3 sales a day. A $100 product, easily just 1 sale a day. In order to make a digital product, learning about a subject first by watching YouTube channels or researching online, etc. And then you will put a guide together through Google Docs. And in order to get traffic to your products, I recommend promoting this with a YouTube channel. YouTube is our best friend. If you can't tell, I'm a big fan. Way number 5, affiliate marketing softwares. Now you can promote high payout products on places such as Digistore, but you can also make a lot of money promoting low payout products as well. But again, you need to be promoting the right types of products. So based on my research, the right kind of low payout partner products are the ones that are going to be paying you every single month. And they'll be paying you every single month when you refer customers. A website called Flicky has an affiliate program, and as they advertise, if you click on their website, you can see that they offer a 30% commission for lifetime for each customer that you refer. So let's just say you get about an average of $43.50 per month per customer. And if you're getting this 30% that they're saying that you get, that would make you around $13 per day per customer that you refer. So if you are referring 346 customers, then you would be making an average of around $150 a day, which is more than $100 per day. Now with this, some people will be unsubscribing over time after signing up, but you will constantly be referring new people to replace the old ones. And many people will stay subscribed for a long time if you are promoting good tools. The way you can promote is by making YouTube channels. For example, like my brother Mad Student did here, and on his channel he makes over $10,000 a month by promoting AI software within his channel. Our 6th way of making money is through video editing. After going through all of these things, you can see that YouTube is a common theme here and it is always in demand. So with this being said, video editing is very in demand as well. And I know with my brother's channels, he pays many people thousands of dollars per month to be editing his videos. And also, for example, when people start to grow their YouTube channels, this is when they think about hiring editors because their workload becomes bigger and bigger as their channel grows. So having this extra help can always be needed. You can learn how to get really good at video editing just through online courses and tutorials. And this could develop into a very good skill to have that you can get paid for in the long run. So let's just say you charge $100 to edit a 10-minute YouTube video. And if you just edit only 1 video per day, there you go. You're making $100 a day. And not to mention, you can also have other types of clients and be editing things such as Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, even TikTok videos. There's a whole market for it. So if that's something you're interested in, I would suggest checking it out. And then our 7th and final way is Instagram theme pages. You can run a very successful Instagram page without even showing your face. And I see this all the time. I myself follow a bunch of faceless Instagram accounts. Now, if you check out shoutcart.com, they have a bunch of examples of these types of Instagram pages. And you might be asking, well, how are these pages making money? Well, the way that they make money is they sell shoutouts. And what shoutouts are is they are basically advertisements that companies can pay to put on these Instagram pages. And a lot of these products that want to be promoted and want to get advertised through Instagram, they will actually reach out through DM and ask the Instagram content creators they want to work with them. And this can also mean things such as reposting other people's content. And once your page grows more and more over time, you will get more of these opportunities and more of these people reaching out to you that want you to promote their products. So Shoutcart is a marketplace where people can buy and sell shoutouts. And looking at shoutcart.com, I can see that a page here costs $150 for one shoutout. So for them, they would only be needing to sell one shoutout a day to be earning $150 a day. So if you're selling just one shoutout on here, you're already going over your goal of making $100 a day. Boom, right there. And you can see examples of this on an Instagram account called daily.locations. And you can even make additional money with doing affiliate marketing through your page. And I see a lot of affiliate marketing on all different types of platforms, such as content creators that I follow on TikTok will put Amazon links in their bio. And if you buy through their Amazon link, it gives them some of the commission, so they're also making money. So that's it. That's 7 ways on how to make $100 a day for beginners. So many of the side hustles that I've gone over in this video are greatly helped through YouTube channels. And YouTube can be a complete way on how to make money online just in itself. So if you want to discover how to do YouTube the right way without showing your face, my brother made you a complete step-by-step free training course that you can click on right here. It has no fluff and it gets straight to the point. It'll teach you exactly what you need to know. See you there.